I'm excited because today I'm going to unbox this for you to see on Naked Bike Mike's channel. Buongiorno, my friends. Buongiorno. Naked Bike Mike back with you again for another unboxing. Because I do these so well, I just have to keep doing them. This is a Suomy SR-GP Bagnaia replica edition that I'm going to unbox for you. It's a beautiful thing. Let's get it out of the box. Let's do that. I'm outside because the weather is nice and I wanted to showcase the colors of this helmet, which inside probably won't be that great. So we can see it has a nice bag. Box bag. Let's unbag it now. We unboxed it. Now we're gonna unbag it. It's got some stickers, some manual that we can use later for some purpose. Here's the bag. It's very similar. Get the box out of the way. It's very similar to the Bell Raystar helmet bag. Looks like it's got the same kind of pockets, the same kind of enclosure, Velcro, leather, whatever, plastic, not leather. Got the mesh in the front. Got a pocket with a zipper, so you can put things in it. It's mesh, so it breathes. And it also has open before racing, up and close and personal. Hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully I'm talking loud enough. I don't know. I don't talk very loud. Got the Velcro enclosure. Velcro closure? Something like that. Oh, there's another bag inside the bag. Bag. Over there. Bag. Let's open it up. There's another bag inside the bag. Like when you double bag it at Publix, Fred Meyer, Safeway, whatever you got, Piggly Wiggly, Winn-Dixie, I don't know, wherever you are, in the supermarket they bag it. You double bag it, triple bag it. When in doubt, bag it out. That's what I say. Oh, okay. So here we go. Hopefully you can see the colors. It's like a black and blue. It's got a red. Let's get up close there. Red pattern on this side. The Suomy lay thing there. Red. It's got the blue. It's like a metallic. Nice color blue there. Hashtag go free. Hashtag go free. That's speckled. Okay, you got symbol there. There's a silver stripe up the middle. Got some red, blue. Turned into like a fluoro-ish red. To the front, we have a blue iridium shield on there. It's medium size because my head is medium, not big. Sometimes it's big, but right now it's medium. ECE and DOT approved, or ECE and DOT certified, I should say. I don't know why I'm getting so close. Maybe I'll get closer. Got the visor tear off posts, pin lock ready, optic class 1, which is better than 0, and a CX of 0.39 coefficient, drag maybe, yes. What else? Vertical view. The vertical view is 92%. The horizontal view is 210%, which is better than 200, I think. It's got an unlock here, a lock and an unlock, I guess for the visor to hold down. Slide it sideways. Let's unlock it and open up. It's got several detents. The top detent is very hard to come over. That's okay. Pin lock, yes. It's got the double D ring enclosure. It's got the emergency pull here. Pull here. Not there, here. Got the little breath chin thing. It's in there. It's got the breath deflector. It's got 5 vents. 1 here in the front. 2 on the brow. Number 2, not 2. Then the 2 up here. So that's 4. These are closing and opening if you want to. And it's got a little bit of, is that an in? Yeah, it's an invent. A vent on the back side. Like, I guess when the air is flowing over, it goes into there. It'll be interesting to see how loud this helmet is, or how much airflow we get when we get it out on the road. I'll try to do a review, maybe, I don't know. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Say, hey, Naked Bike Mike, do a review on the Suomy Bagnaia replica helmet, and I will do one. If not, maybe not. But I'm looking forward to riding with this helmet. Let's put it on, see how it fits. Take off my Legion hat, because my hair is just, you know, pandemic hair. I can't see anything. I can't see anything. So that's a negative on the helmet. When the visor's closed, you can't see anything. So that leads me to believe that you will crash when you wear this helmet with the visor closed. So you gotta leave it open. That's a problem. Okay. Yeah, it fits good. Honestly and seriously, it fits nice and snug, like you would like it. It's very snug, not uncomfortably snug. Just nice. It wraps your face in this comfort feeling of smushiness. Okay, that's enough of that. So, yeah, I like it. I'm looking forward to checking this out on the street. Oh, he's got SR-GP little thing on the side there. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Kind of looks like carbon fiber. I know it's not a full carbon fiber shell, but it's carbon fiber, Kevlar, fiberglass, weaved all in together around it for safety reasons. Yeah, I know, whatever. One take, no practice, outside. What else do you want? Not wearing my little brother's shirt today. You know, it's a little chilly out here, but that's good. What else is there to say? Thanks for watching. The smell of new helmets is great. The smell of new things is wonderful. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Click like, subscribe, all that stuff. And let me know what you think. Suomy SR-GP Bagnaia helmet. Too bad he didn't get the championship this year. Maybe next year he'll do it. Do it to it. New helmet. Arrivederci. Ciao. And goodbye, my friends. I don't know why I'm doing this. Whatever.